Hello and welcome to the introduction lecture. So in this lecture, we will have a brief overview or a quick overview of SQL. So let's go ahead and directly jump into the lecture. So the very first thing which we learn about SQL is that what is SQL? So SQL actually stands for Structured Query Language. So the full form of SQL is Structured Query Language, and it is a language which is used to communicate with the database. Now, in the previous lecture, we have already learned the significance of database. So if you are developing any application or if you are developing any website, you will deal with data which is related to that application or that website. So you need some way to store data for that application, and you store that data into a database in form of tables. So we have already gone through that in the previous lecture. Now we need something which allows us to do that, and SQL is a language which basically allows us to do all the things which are related to database. So if you have to create a database, or if you have to create a table, or if you have to store some value into the database, then for that purpose we need a particular language, and that language is nothing but SQL. So this was a basic quick overview of SQL, just to give you guys an idea of what exactly SQL is, and I hope most of you already knew full form for SQL and its purpose, but this lecture was specifically meant for those who were unaware of SQL and were learning it for the very first time. So that's it for this lecture, and without wasting any time, let's move on and jump into the next lecture. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next lecture. Thank you.